You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing French words and cooking terms in particular, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? For reference, in French it is said as Perigourdine, the name of a famous sauce and also a famous salad. Perigourdine, meaning from the Périgord region in France. In English you could say it as Perigourdine, Perigourdine sauce, Perigourdine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.